know what the scary thing about aging is? You never see it coming. One day you're gonna look in the mirror and think, man, where did my facial structure go? And the crazy thing is, these facial structure changes can be preventable by the way you breathe. Had I known about this earlier, I would have hopped on this trend a lot sooner. For those of you that don't know, these are ZZ Sleep mouth tapes. They help promote nasal breathing. They have a small safety hole in the center for you first timers. That way you don't have to worry about suffocating in the middle of the night. And believe it or not, you actually intake more oxygen when you breathe through your nose, making you feel a lot more well rested while you sleep. So if you want to try it out, make sure to grab yours at the link below.